things that I like singing. Yes. Yeah, yeah.